What if you could bring Hornet from Hollow Knight Silksong into the real world, using nothing but paper? Yep, this is a low-poly Hornet Papercraft figure, sharp needle and all. And you can build it yourself. You don't need any fancy tools, just scissors, glue, and a bit of patience. The same patience we've all needed waiting for Silksong. Each piece is numbered, every fold is clean, and the final form comes together so satisfyingly, like stitching your own creation. I added a little AI animation magic to the video just to make things more lively. But the real Papercraft figure you'll build is 99% accurate to what you see here. So don't worry, no weird AI surprises, just pure Hornet. And here she is, your own Hornet figure, ready to stand guard wherever you place her. Bedroom, living room, gaming setup, even the garden if you want that mysterious, deep nest aesthetic. Lightweight, low-cost, stylish, and a perfect companion for your nice setup. If you want this free Papercraft pattern, just send me a message on my Facebook fan page. I'll send it directly to you. And if you want to see more models, the Knight, Grim, maybe even the Radiance, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying, "Sharpen your needle."